Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mitsubishi Pajero SFX and GLX. We'll dive into what makes each model unique, helping you understand their core differences. These two variants of the iconic Pajero have served many drivers well, known for their durability and adventurous spirit. Let's uncover which one might be the perfect fit for your driving needs and preferences, starting with a general overview of their market positions. Moving on to performance, the SFX often comes equipped with a larger, more powerful engine, designed for demanding conditions and heavier loads. In contrast, the GLX usually offers engine configurations that emphasize fuel economy and everyday usability, making it a practical choice for daily commutes. Both models provide reliable four-wheel drive systems, but specific gearing or differential options can differ, influencing their ultimate off-road prowess. Consider your primary use case when evaluating these aspects. When it comes to design, the Pajero SFX often presents a more refined interior, featuring upgraded upholstery and additional comfort amenities, aiming for a premium feel. The GLX, however, typically offers a more utilitarian and durable cabin, built to withstand rigorous use while remaining comfortable. Externally, you might notice subtle styling differences, such as unique grille designs or wheel options, which help distinguish the SFX from the GLX. Both maintain the classic rugged Pajero aesthetic. So, which Pajero is the right choice for you? If you're looking for a vehicle with potentially more power, enhanced features, and a touch of luxury, the SFX might be your ideal match. For those prioritizing practicality, fuel efficiency, and a robust daily driver, the GLX offers excellent value and reliability. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found. Thanks for watching, and happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.